Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. This is D. Singaraya, PGT in Mathematics, AP Balayogi Gurukulam for Boys, Rudravaram, Krishna District. Students, today we are going to learn how to find quadratic polynomials whose zeros are given in the chapter 3 polynomials. Chapter 3 polynomials. How to find quadratic polynomials whose zeros are given. Before going to solve the problems, we have to recall what is a quadratic polynomial. What is a quadratic polynomial? From the students, say any one of you? Yes. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial. Yes, a polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. General form of a quadratic polynomial. General form. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is the general form in variable x and the coefficients abc. Similarly, general form may be we have to write py square plus qy plus r when p is not equal to 0. This is also general form. Now, generally we denoted the zeros of this quadratic QP. QP means quadratic polynomial. QP, quadratic polynomial. Zeros are generally zeros alpha and beta. These are the zeros we denoted. Okay, examples. Some example 1 for quadratic polynomials: x square plus 5x plus 4. This is a quadratic polynomial in variable x. Coefficients is 1, 5 and 4. Then example 2, some p square minus 1. This is a QP, quadratic polynomial in variable p. Here p square minus 1, p term is not available, but it is also a polynomial and it is quadratic polynomial. Example 3, some 3 minus z cube, z square not cube. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. Example 4, some y square minus y by 3 plus root 2. This is also a quadratic polynomial, but the variable is y here, variable is z here, variable p here, variable is x. Therefore, all these 4 are some examples of a quadratic polynomial. Now, observe some chart for better understanding. I am showing one chart regarding the quadratic polynomial examples and definition. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Now, general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c or py square plus qy plus r when a is not equal to 0. And its zeros generally denoted by alpha and beta. Example 1, x square plus 5x plus 4. Example 2, p square minus 1. Example 3, 3 minus z square. Example 4, y square minus y by 3 plus root 2. Are these some examples of quadratic polynomials? Okay, thank you students. Now, we move to application part, that is problems and solutions. Under this, I am going to explain you example 6 from your textbook, that is page number 64. Find a quadratic polynomial if the zeros of it are 2 and minus 1 by 3 respectively. This is the problem. Given by the problem, 2 is the first zero of this quadratic formula polynomial, and minus 1 is the second 0 of quadratic polynomial. Now we have to find that quadratic polynomial. We know that, the general form of QP is ax square plus bx plus c when a is not equal to 0, and its zeros are alpha and beta. Therefore here that means in this problem alpha is 2, first 0 of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and beta is equals to minus 1 by 3. Therefore sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta, that is equal to alpha is 2 here plus minus 1 by 3, that equals to 2 plus into minus 1 by 3, that equals to 3 is the LCM, and 2 into 3 is here, and minus 1 into 1, that equals to 2 3s are 6 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore we calculated alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros 5 by 3 put here, and then product of the zeros alpha beta equals to 2 here and minus 1 by 3, that equals to 2 into minus 1 by 3, that equals to minus 2 by 3. The QP then, QP means quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is now some k into, it is a constant, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, where k is a constant. This is the formula to find for finding quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given, is a constant, k is a constant, that equals to k into x square, alpha plus beta sum of zeros is 5 by 3, therefore minus 5 by 3 into x plus alpha into beta, but alpha into beta is minus, therefore minus 2 by 3. This is the form after substitution. Now we can put different values of k. When k is equal to 3, we get the quadratic polynomial will be k is some 3, that's why 3 into x square minus 5 by 3x minus 2 by 3, that equals to 3x square minus 3 into 5 by 3x minus 3 into 2 by 3 after substitution. Okay, 3x square, 3 cancel, 3 cancel, minus 5x minus 2 is the required quadratic polynomial. Okay students, now we move to try this. In this two problems are given under this. One is problem 1, under this try this. Problem 1. Find a quadratic polynomial with zeros minus 2 and 1 by 3. Minus 2 and 1 by 3. Same. General form is equal to general form of a QP is ax square plus bx plus c when a is not equal to 0. Zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha here, alpha equals to minus 2 and beta equals to 1 by 3. Sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta, that equals to minus 2 plus 1 by 3, that equals to minus 2 plus 1 by 3, simplification, as 3 is LCM, minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1, that equals to minus 6 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to minus 5 by 3. This is alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros. Now product of the zeros. alpha into beta equals to alpha is minus 2 into beta is 1 by 3. That equals to minus 2 into 1 by 3. That equals to minus 2 by 3. This is alpha plus beta. This is alpha into beta. Now the formula is for ax square plus bx plus c polynomial. Now the QP means quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is some k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x minus alpha beta. Okay, this is the formula. That's why that equals to k into x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 3 into x minus alpha into beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. This is plus here. That is equal to k into x square minus into minus plus 5 by 3x plus into minus minus 2 by 3. Now we can put different values of k. We can put different values of k. When k is equal to some 3, we got this k into x square. K means 3. K means 3. 3 into x square minus 5 by plus 5 by 3x minus 2 by 3. That equals to, by multiplying with 3, 3x square plus 3 into 5 by 3x minus 3 into 2 by 3. This 3 cancel, this 3 cancel. That equals to 3x square plus 5x minus 2. This is the required polynomial whose zeros are given by minus 2 and beta is 1 by 3. Now we move to exercise problems. Exercise 3.3. Okay, in this exercise 3.3, under problem 3, we now solve the problem Roman 1, that equals to Roman 1, under Roman 1, that equals to all given the zeros is 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1. Find the QP for the zeros alpha beta given in each case given. Therefore, alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1. Here, alpha is equal to 2, beta equals to minus 1. General form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of zeros is equal to sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta, that is equal to 2 plus minus 1. Actually the symbol is plus, but here beta is negative 0, that's why minus 1. That equals to 2 minus 1 plus into minus is equal to minus, that equals to 1. Product of zeros equals to alpha into beta, that equals to 2 into minus 1, that equals to minus 2. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is some k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where k is a constant. Okay, where k is a constant. This is the formula, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the polynomial to find the required polynomial in this case. Therefore, that equals to some k into x square minus alpha plus beta is we find here sum of the zeros 1. That means 1x. Means x, 1x minus product of zeros is 2, minus 2. Product of zeros is minus 2. That's why minus 2. That equals to k into x square minus x minus 2. We can put different values of k when in this case k is equal to 1 for this problem. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial will be x square minus x minus 2. For this explanation is once again that equals to actually k into x square minus x minus 2. By putting 1 in the place of k, x square minus x minus 2, the same will k, that is x square minus x minus 2. This is the required polynomial. In this third problem, now see some problem Roman 3 problem. In this given 1 by 4 minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Here let us solution. In this Roman 2 is HW. Dear students, in this Roman 2 is HW. Now I am explaining Roman 3 in the third problem. Okay, let the zeros be alpha is equal to 1 by 4 and beta equals to minus 1. Now sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta, that equal to 1 by 4 plus minus 1, that equals to 1 by 4 plus into minus 1, that equals to LCM is 4, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 4, that equals to 1 minus 4 by 4, that equals to minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 4 means 4 is a big value, that's why minus 3 by 4. Now this is alpha plus beta. What is it? Sum of the zeros for this problem, alpha plus beta. Now product of the zeros. Alpha into beta equals to 1 by 4 is alpha, that's why 1 by 4 into minus 1. This is beta in this problem. That equals to 1 by 4 into minus 1. That means 1 into minus 1 by 4. Therefore, alpha into beta, product of zeros in this problem is minus 1 by 4. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial b ax square plus bx plus c is by the formula some k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where k is a constant. K is a constant. Okay. Now that equals to, for this problem, alpha plus beta is derived already, minus 3 by 4, and alpha into beta is minus 1 by 4. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 4. Product of zeros alpha into beta equals to minus 1 by 4. That equals to some k into x square minus sum is minus 3 by 4. That's why under bracket minus 3 by 4 plus alpha into beta equals to minus 1 by 4. That equals to k into x square minus into minus plus 3 by 4 plus into minus minus 1 by 4. This is the equation. This is the polynomial of quadratic polynomial. Okay. We can put different values of k when k equals to 4 in this problem. The QP quadratic polynomial will be that equals to some put 4 in the place of k, x square plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That equals to, by multiplying with 4, 4x square first term plus 4 into 3 by 4 x, here x, and minus 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4. This 4 cancel, this 4 cancel. That equals to 4x square plus how much here? 3x minus 1. This is the required polynomial. Therefore, the required polynomial for this problem is, this is a quadratic polynomial, 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Now, problem in this last sum is 4th Roman is also given, it is HW. Now, students, once again I am clarifying you. First of all, I solved example 6 in the textbook, page number 64. And try this problem 1 I solved. Problem 2 is HW. Okay. Next exercise problems, regarding exercise problems, exercise 3.3 is concerned to our topic. That's why under this problem from exercise 3.3, 4 Romans are here. Roman 1 is I solved and Roman 2 is HW. Again Roman 3 solved by me, that is alpha is equal to 1 by 4 and beta is equal to minus 1. Roman 4 is HW. Okay students, now once again just I recall this quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. What is general form of quadratic polynomial? Sometimes he may ask under half mark questions, that is write general form of quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, or py square plus qy plus r, whatever it may be. The variable may be x or y or z also. If we can take z may be the variable, then some kx square, kz square plus lz plus m. This is also a kz square plus lz plus m. That means z is variable here and coefficients are k, l, m, consequent letters in English alphabet. Okay, like this only we have to write the general form. And examples are so many examples I was given. This is one type. This is in this the px term is not available. In this the square term is in the last term, and then in this y square variable model some root 2 is here, there is no problem. Here in the denominator only coefficient is in the denominator. If variable is in the denominator, that means it is not a polynomial, but there is no problem. Here coefficient only in the denominator. That's why it is also a polynomial of degree 2. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. Here it has degree 2. Therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Here also degree is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Here also degree is 2. Variable is x. Variable is y, p here. Variable is z here. Variable is y here. And we may write the general form in variable z. Some k, l, m are the constants, that is coefficients. If coefficient of z square is k, coefficient of z is equal to l, the constant term is m, then it may be kz square plus lz plus m, like that. So today I explained you the about the quadratic polynomial, general form quadratic polynomial, general form of the quadratic polynomial in various variables, and finding the quadratic polynomials whose zeros are given. The quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros. In the problem he may given 2 zeros, then we have to solve by the formula. The important formula in this is, the important formula again, one important formula is required equation for this model is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Here alpha plus beta is sum of zeros, and alpha into beta equals to product of zeros. Okay, student? Okay, thank you very much.